Buongiorno and benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this stunning estate in Montepulciano. Check it out. In today's video, we are in the heart of Montepulciano, a renowned Tuscan town appreciated for its great wines and gastronomic excellences. We will be touring a splendid estate that stands on 90 hectares of land between rows of vineyards, olive groves, and dense woodlands. A breathtaking landscape frames the property, which consists of several buildings, including an enchanting relais with 6 elegant super-equipped suites, an annex, and a wonderful winter garden. All the structures have undergone several interventions over the years, the last of which completed in 2022 and saw the installation of an 800 square meter ultra-modern cellar with an internal floor dedicated to exclusive wine tasting experiences with panoramic terrace. 15 hectares of the total 90 hectares of land are dedicated to vineyards, from which the property produces il vino nobile di Montepulciano and vino rosso GT. A large garden surrounds the house and offers numerous relaxation areas. The property also offers a splendid infinity pool, ideal for admiring the stunning view over the valleys. This luxurious property offered by Lionard, with an internal surface of 1,600 square meters, boasts particular care to details. The finishes used are of absolute value and the materials of the highest standard, showing a great taste for luxury. We are on the only path that leads us towards the property, which is framed by cypresses, symbol of the Tuscan countryside. The estate is surrounded by 90 hectares of land, central to which is a true Eden of privacy and tranquility, where we can find the buildings that comprise the farmstead. Part of the 90 hectares of land that surround the estate are 15 hectares of vineyards, from which the property produces Vino Nobile di Montepulciano and Rosso GT. And if we take a closer look to the vines, we can already see the baby leaves, and in just a month they will be covered, offering breathtaking views. We are back on the path, and the first thing we see, other than the beautiful nature surrounding us, is the typical stone facade of the farmstead. We immediately have a peaceful sensation. On the one side, we have the gorgeous vineyards, while on the other, the olive groves that we're going to take a closer look to later on. The farmstead dates back to the 1800s, and if you follow me, let's go check it out. We are on the ground floor of the main villa, where we have this open space living area that has that Tuscan, warm, homey feel. We have the cotto floors and the cotto vaulted ceilings. Here is a first lounge area that looks onto this large semicircular French window, from which we have access onto the gorgeous garden. Central to the room is another sitting area where the couches seem to be focusing on this majestic fireplace with wooden mantle. Adjacent to this sitting area is a cozy dining area, which also looks onto a large semicircular French window, from which we access the olive grove. This space is also well connected to the kitchen. We are in the property's kitchen, which is perfectly equipped and has stainless steel appliances. Over here we have a travertino sink with countertop, which is original to the villa. The floors and the vaulted ceilings are made in cotto, and over here we have a table that can sit up to 12 people. Opposite to which is a majestic fireplace where still today they cook la bistecca alla fiorentina. The kitchen also has a direct access to the outdoors, and we can easily connect to the winter garden. We are now heading towards the first floor, where you can find 3 bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom. But I want to point your attention to this gorgeous travertino staircase, which is original to the villa. We are in the master bedroom, which also has cotto floors and it has exposed wooden beam ceilings. The room is embellished by a lovely travertino fireplace and has a breathtaking view over the town of Pienza. The master bedroom also has its own master bathroom with double shower, double vanity, and separate toilet. On the opposite side of the hallway, in respect to the master bedroom, are another 2 bedrooms that can be closed off, creating a suite. In this bedroom, we have a double exposure with a lovely view over the vineyard, as well as a cozy lounge area. Both bedrooms are embellished by cotto floors, exposed wooden beam ceilings, and travertino fireplaces. Other than that, they both have ensuite bathrooms with rain shower, double vanity with marble countertop, and separate toilet. Here we have an external lounge area, which could also be used as a drawing room. The most particular feature of this room are the large semicircular windows on each side of the space, which offer beautiful views over the property, the surrounding landscape, and the swimming pool. On this side, we also enjoy the shade provided by this large secular oak. The room has cotto floors, exposed wooden beam ceilings, a bar with travertino sink, and a double AC unit. But now let's head towards the swimming pool. The Farmstead also has this spacious infinity pool surrounded by travertino with its own sunbathing area and shower. This is the place to cool off during the warmer months or simply sunbathe with a view. From here, we can overlook the property's fruit orchard, olive grove, and woodland. Speaking of woodland, throughout the estate, there are a variety of trails, so you can either take leisurely walks or go for hikes, truly reconnecting with nature. We are now in the winter garden, which is opposite to the lounge area and to the swimming pool. The whole property recently underwent a thorough renovation, and this space was transformed into a dining/breakfast area with bar. Thanks to the extensive windows on each side of the room, we can enjoy a 360-degree view over the surroundings. This space has gorgeous hardwood floors and its own air conditioning system, so it maintains the perfect temperature all year round. On the floor below us are 2 bathrooms and a changing room, which serve both this floor as well as the swimming pool area. We are in the building adjacent to the winter garden, where we find 3 identical double bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom that has a bathtub and a shower. The rooms are elegantly furnished, and they are embellished by travertino fireplaces, cotto floors, and exposed wooden beam ceilings. Other than that, each room has their own external coffee table where you can enjoy the view of Pienza in the distance or sip your morning coffee if you wish to do so. The olive grove occupies 2 hectares of the estate, which counts up to 600 olive trees, from which the property makes its own olive oil. This is yet another of the many features that makes this property a true gem. As mentioned previously, thanks to the 15 hectares of vineyards, the property produces Vino Nobile di Montepulciano and Vino Rosso GT. At the moment, the production is being outsourced, but thanks to the renovation of this 500 square meter cantina, every phase of the production can now be done on site. The cantina has the typical stone facade with a central glass and iron centerpiece. The illumination internally to the cantina is with LED lights, and there will be a space dedicated to wine tastings. The cantina also has a panoramic terrace from which we can enjoy the breathtaking view of the town of Montefollonico. All this creates a truly new experience. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this exclusive property. On that note, ciao!